But you can push that now, don't you?
Bye-bye.
You're so fucking gay, honestly. I lied to you, I'm so sorry.
Hey, now!
Just slow walk him, you'll kill him. Loading, pick me.
Oh, you both.
I told y'all, dog.
Keep picking, bro. You
This
got
is easy for you.
Ah, thankfully.
Oh, I don't go that tall. Oh, I didn't go there.
Shut up.
No, you got this.
You're sick. No way.
I let you jump.
Yeah, sure you did.
You saw me crouching. I
Oh, you shot my backtrack, you sneaky fuck.
Yeah, waifu, you're such a cunt.
I shot the guy behind you, of course.
Waifu, lol, you got so bad, dude. Man, you know.
Lamau _R_Jason and they made the iconics.
I don't know what I was doing else.
My team, I was planning on.
Oh my god, what the hell?
I'll say that was me. I'll say it's me.
Yeah, cause
Fucking joke, monkey. I don't know what you think I got about it. Seriously. Dude, who the fuck is, wow, what car do you have? You probably have like a fucking Ford, like,
That's all.
20,
That's
no,
all.
it's Ford monkey.
Yeah, what about
African booty scratcher.
Sorry about that. Bro, Stoner,
Dude,
you're
Stoner, why are you?
Sorry, no. No, I'll bet you.
No, you're getting banned by
So you can
Let's
go
give it a
sit in the
right
same place you didn't want him sitting. You're a weirdo.
Stoner. That's a weird cunt.